Hey guys, we're here today because my engine bay is a little dirty. That's not good for filming, but I wanted to get it clean anyway, just so it looks presentable on camera. Now, I don't have a lot of money, so I wasn't gonna pay for cleaning supplies or renting a pressure washer or anything like that, whatever they tell you to do on all these other channels to get your engine bay cleaning. I went even cheaper. Grabbed a toothbrush and a spray bottle, and we're gonna see how clean we can get an engine bay with some household items. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea how well this is gonna work, but we're gonna get to it. All right, let's start with the front. Get a little, come on, get a little water in there. Get a little water, get this toothbrush going. Oh, that's already black, that's okay. I think that's working pretty well, actually. Yeah, that's very dirty. All right. Now this is straight water. I'll just tell you that right now. There's nothing special or fancy about it. It's just water. And a toothbrush, because we're weird here. And broke and poor. But if we can do this with this type of budget, that would be awesome. And hopefully give some people some ideas down the road. And I have not thought about where I'm gonna put these. That's awkward. We'll go get a trash bag. I mean, I think that's kind of working. I don't think it's the best, but it may be the best, almost free option there is. Probably should have more than one toothbrush, but that's okay. Fuse box, great thing to be spraying with water. Spray the battery with water, risking electrocution. I'm sorry for those of you who just heard that. I cannot sing. Yeah, just cover your ears next time you watch this. Cleaning the turbo inlet pipe right now. Give it a good thorough washing. Let's see how that indeed did. Probably just spreading dirt around, not actually cleaning anything at this point. Yep, that's exactly what I want to. Yep. Oh, and it just got dirty again. I don't really want to spray directly on to this section of the engine, just for precautionary reasons. Not that it would be the worst thing in the world if you got a little bit of water, but I would rather not risk anything. I was too willy-nilly, if you will, with the Audi, so this is not something that I want to do again. That's why we're cleaning it, we're taking it slow, treating it well. Ugh, I am digging where this is going. It's not a Chris Fix super clean or whatever he calls it, but for being on the cheap, I'm digging it. Don't hit the alternator, risking electrocution again. on as much as we can to look as clean as we can. I had 7 hours I could be at here that entire time, but we're kind of doing a bit of a quick fix. Got the trusty toothbrush. Whew, okay. I think that looks a lot better. I mean, like I was saying, it's definitely no perfect fix or anything like that, or perfect clean, but for a toothbrush and a spray bottle, I think that's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys can clean your engine bay with some household items, maybe add a little soap, see what you guys can do. Maybe this gives you some ideas of how you can better take care of your car as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Remember, Jesus loves you.